Hi, my name is Tendai. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new editing software called DaVinci Resolve version 17. DaVinci Resolve is the world's fast-growing and most advanced editing software. It also has a long history of being the world's most trusted application for color correction. In addition to its world-class color correction toolset, DaVinci Resolve 17 is a professional level, nonlinear editing and effects application with a complete set of professional audio editing and mixing tools that enables you to complete projects using only one piece of software. But my aims here, what we're gonna learn today, we're going to explore the interface and look at DaVinci's pages such as media page, card page, edit page, color page, and delivery page, and what these individual pages are used for. And my objectives is editing a church event video, white balancing our footage, match shots using stills, apply the same color correction to all the clips, adding title to our video, and finally, lastly, delivering our video and the social network like YouTube or Instagram, etc. So I'm gonna launch. It's already open actually. I'm gonna open DaVinci Resolve and we're gonna go to the media page. So this is the media page. The media page is the most efficient page for importing and organizing media, syncing clips, and adding metadata. It is also where you can back up the camera original media using the clone tools right here. So you just click on the hard drive. This is my hard drive. And then you just add drop, and then if you had another hard drive, you can back it into another new hard drive in case if something goes wrong, because you might be editing a project for a client or anyone else, so it's good to have backups. I'm gonna go to my hard drive. I'm gonna show you how I import my clips, and these are my clips here on my hard drive. So the way I did this was to drag and drop my clips into the media pool. So this is the media pool. I already got my clips in there. You can also do the markings and markouts on this window and then just drag the shots into your media pool by doing this, for example. Let me see if I can view the waveform here. Yes, I can view the waveform. So this is the waveform. It's good to have a presentation of a waveform so you know what's going on. And we can mark in by pressing I to mark in. And play again. Okay, I'm gonna mark out. Then just drag it here. Now it's gonna be here. So you can either work like that if you want, but everyone has their own different workflows when it comes to editing. Moving on, we're gonna talk about the page, the card page. So if you wanna go to a different page, you just click on this, go all the way to the bottom and click on these pages. I need to tell you what this is. So this is the new page that Blackmagic Design has added in alternative editing page called the card page. The card page is all about speed. The card page is amazing. You should try it. They have revolutionized a new way of editing, but I will demonstrate the workflow during this lesson. And I might as well just show it to you now, the demonstration. Like, the reason why I like this workflow, this new editing workflow, it's really fast and it doesn't take off. It doesn't take a lot of your time when you're editing. The reason why I'm saying it's fast is because you know, the old-fashioned way of editing, linear edit, non-linear editing, or linear editing. It's like we have to click on each individual clip to see what's in it, the shots we're looking for. But with this one here, what you can do is you can click on one clip, and then you can click on this button here, source tape, and then so when you move this playhead, it's playing all the clips that you got here on your list, all of them, so you can pick the shots you need without going through the clips individually. That's the reason why I like it, and it's fast to work that way. Moving on to the edit page. The edit page is the old fashioned of editing, right? I'm pretty sure we all know that. This is the way this is the layout, but we can go back to normal. The reason why we can't see the other source video is because this is on, so we need to turn it off by enabling it, by pressing that button. Now we can see that the source, the two source views. One is for the timeline and one is for when you double click on your clips, if you want to find a clip that you want to add to your timeline. So whatever you're adding on your timeline, it will show on your view. This is your viewer. But if you're coming from Avid, Premiere Pro, or Final Cut, it's the same thing but a little different. So if you want to change the keyboard shortcut to, just say, Premiere Pro, you go all the way here where it says Davinci Resolve. Click on there, and then you go to keyboard shortcut, keyboard customization, and there you go. You see this window here. So I'm just trying to move it all the way to the bottom. There you go. So if you want to select Premiere Pro keyboard shortcuts, you have to click on this arrow pointing down near the three dots. Then you just pick Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut, Apple Final Cut if you're coming from Final Cut. There you go. And I'm gonna have to close this because I'm gonna leave it on DaVinci Resolve. Nope, this. So moving on, we'll talk about the color page. The color page is where you it allows you to color correct your footage. Like this footage here is really dark. You want to make it too bright. Want to make it a little bright. Oh, actually, it's the wrong one here. A little bit bright. Every person in every channel has been instructed to bright. So whenever you change the color here, or you brighten up your footage, you see the scope here, it tells you. So just a little bit. And this is the same thing as it's the same thing as the editor page. This is where you'll be seeing whatever you change. If you move one of these dots here, you'll see the change happening, taking place in real time. Like now, if you click on these little dots, you can just move it there. You see, but we don't want that, so we'll take it back. And okay, let's say we want to use this look on the same clip, on the next clip. So what we do is we create a still, grab a still, and it's gonna create a still here. I've already created it already, so I'm just creating another one so I could, just to show you, just to demonstrate what you can do. And then when you go to the next clip, that's the one, and then you just, there you go. You just view it. Gives you like, it gives you a free preview, gives you a preview to see what it looks like when you apply it. So when you want to apply it, you just right click and then apply grade. There you go. So now it looks like this shot here, and then you can do that, the same thing with the next clip, the same thing with the next clip, the same thing with the next clip. And this is your curves, and if you want to set the white balance, you just click on this, and then you look for a spot which is close to white. I'm pretty sure this is close to white, so you just click on that, and then it will change the appearance, it will change the look. And it hasn't done anything because I've done that a long time ago. It's just added dots here, so I'm gonna undo it. So that's how you white balance. Oh, let's see, let me find a clip that we haven't actually white balanced. Okay, let's try this one here, or maybe this one. Okay, that is already well balanced. Now it did something, and then you can white balance it. Let's give it a different look. Let's make it bright.
Thank you.
Just to brighten it up because it looks dark. So I'll just do it like that. So let's say we're happy with what we like, and yeah, it's fine. So you do the color grade after you finish putting the clips together first. So let's go back to the edit page. So the edit page is where we're gonna do, the edit page is like, it enables you to enables a much more detailed ability to trim and arrange your clips. Like here, if I play
worship was tangible. You could feel the Lord's presence through the worship as the minstrels played.
See, it's lagging because if I've changed something, I've done something in the color page, so it's rendering. That's why it's playing like that. It's lagging. So let's just leave it for now for it to finish doing its rendering, and then it will be able to play
Marvelous,
smoothly.
most glorious time in the Lord. The worship was tangible. You could feel the Lord.
So you want to find a clip that works,
And also encouraging for us to, you know, release ourselves from the lameness that we are feeling. And founder of
the clip that doesn't work, this clip here, it doesn't work there. It's too fast for me. So what I need to do, I need to find a clip that will work and replace the one we got there. Okay, let's try this out. Oh, not even this one. Let's try this one. Try another one. So Let's try doing this. Find what we're looking for. Slowly. Okay. Something from, yeah, we can use this one here. So we mark in, same thing as before. We play just a little bit, and then that's it. Then we mark out by pressing O to mark out. Then just drag here. Because we don't want that one. So we're just gonna replace it. Now we're gonna need to white balance that clip. So we go back to our color page. That's the clip. And click on the white balance. So we need to find parts that are close and near to white, like her top right there. There you go. And I think this will do for now. Gonna have to let it render. And then the next thing I want to show you guys is the delivery page. The delivery page is delivery page is our is where we deliver our video to any social network like YouTube, Instagram, etc. So for us to do that, we have to set it here, do our settings first before we even start to render it. So like here, we just give it a title like "Let's Ascend." Would you have a lady killed? Okay, I do not wish to cause distress. And then the lady was in fact alive. Surely the render clip. They want to suck so but then yeah, everything's fine. But make sure you change that to, let's say, HD resolution to 8.8 HD. And then we just add it to the kill. And then this message is gonna pop out and just say add, and then just render. But I've already rendered it already, so when it's finished rendering, we'll go to a hard drive, and you have to be really organized when you're doing this stuff. And there you go. And that's the clip.
Hi, my name is Minister Nicolene Walford, and I am the founder of People of Victory Prophetic Ministries. I want to thank you for partnering with us, for worshiping with us. It was a blessed night as we encountered the Lord in Ascend 2020, and it was the most marvelous, most glorious time in the Lord. The worship was tangible. You could feel the Lord's presence through the worship as the minstrels played, as the worshippers released their voices. And we thank the Lord for the word that was so reassuring and also encouraging for us to, release ourselves from the lameness that we are feeling and expressing, and coming up on the mountain where we will encounter God, the mountain where we will get the revelation, the truth revelation of where we ought to go next, what we ought to do next, but most importantly to be intertwined with God, to develop a deeper intimacy with Him. And I'm so grateful to having to share that with everyone who was present. Thank you guys, and I look forward to seeing you soon. God bless you.
All right, that was a spelling error right there. I left an S. It's all right. Anyways, this is just a quick example, and so if you want to fix that problem, we can just go back to the editing page and then we go to the title. Oh, one more thing I forgot to show how you can add a title. If you want to add a title, we go to the effects library, and then let's make this visible for now.
This is a message result. You must go to Deviance.
I mean, let's take it off. Oh, just here. So this is a list of all the things that you can do here. Look at that. It's got a heart as well. But we want to apply that to here. There you go. It's amazing, trust me. So you can also use it here. Let's see. I think no, I don't think you can use it there. It doesn't look right. And if you want to add a title, here you just fill them. Click on any title, and then you just fill it. It gives you like a small demo, a small review what it will look like when you place it on your timeline. So if you like what you see, let's say this one here. That's the one I used. For that one, you just drag it and drop it, and then you can change the title. So yep, I'm gonna have to end my lesson here, guys. The purpose for this lesson is to find out if DaVinci Resolve is for you. Would you like to use this software to edit your videos? For more training, you can just go to DaVinci website, but I'll send you the link where to go, because the website is a bit confusing. And you can go to training here, to this page here, and then you just click on this videos, or you can go to YouTube, whichever you like. Get the PDF training here as well if you're interested, and you can do that. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have a good summer holiday, and for next time we'll see each other the next semester. Goodbye.